If you want to activate the Gemini on the Motorola Moto G87, we actually have many different ways that allow you to do so. The main way to activate the Gemini is by pressing and holding the power button. If you press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, you should be able to activate the Gemini very easily, and the microphone is enabled as well, so you can, for example, say things out loud and you can send that prompt to Gemini to get an answer. You can, of course, deactivate the microphone and you can just tap on this field in order to type your prompt manually. That is, of course, also possible. And besides that, we have some additional options as well, like, for example, we can easily activate screen sharing with the live feature, and the live feature itself is available here by tapping on these three lines. And the live feature is pretty much a mode for Gemini, or in a Gemini, that allows you to have something like more of a proper conversation with the Gemini, more natural way. Nothing like, it's not like you have a prompt, you send it to Gemini and then you get the answer and that's it. You actually have a conversation with the live mode. Besides that, we have this plus button, which allows you to, for example, attach some files or make Gemini generate images for you. Besides that, we can also check out the app itself. So if you go to the Google folder, you should be able to find Gemini. And here we can do pretty much the same thing, except for the fact that if you press this plus button, then here we should be able to find some additional options that are actually not available if you press and hold your finger. If you press and hold the power button. And here we can also open the history. You can see all your chats, your previous prompts. You can also tap on this icon in the upper right corner to activate temporary chats, which are not going to be saved forever. So, besides that, if you actually go to Gemini settings, if you tap on these two lines in the upper left corner and go to your Google account, and then over here we should be able to go to settings and you can activate Talk to Gemini hands-free, which is the Hey Google feature, so the voice activation for Gemini. You can turn this on very easily, and if you set it up on your account, which is also very simple, you just have to say a couple of sentences out loud. Then after that, you should be able to say Hey Google out loud to activate Gemini. Not only that, we can also go to settings, and over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to gestures. And over here in the gestures we can go to the system navigation, and if you use gesture navigation, then you can open the settings. And here we have swipe for assistance. So when you have this option enabled, and if you use gestures, then you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards just like that, or like that. And this activates Gemini as well. So this can be a very convenient way to activate the Gemini as well. And besides that, of course, we can also use a widget. So if you press and hold your finger on the Gemini app, for example, in the app drawer, then you can go to widget here, and you will find this 2x2 widget. If you press and hold your finger on this widget, and if you place it anywhere on the home screen, by the way, you can still resize it if you want to, then you should be able to activate Gemini by using any of these options as well. If you still want to resize the widget after adding it to the home screen, you can press and hold your finger to drag and drop it back into its place, and now you can grab by these circles on each side to resize the widget, and this is how we can activate the Gemini on our phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.